Bone broth benefits you absolutely must know. Think twice before you dispose of bones. Bones have been found to be a rich source of different nutrients which could be beneficial to the body. How do I have access to these nutrients, you may ask? The answer is through the consumption of bone broth. Bone broth is the fluid gotten after simmering marrow of rich animal bones like beef, chicken, pork, turkey, or even fish in water for an extended period of time. Fresh vegetables and herbs may be added for extra flavor. Welcome to Superfoods and this video on bone broth benefits you absolutely must know. We put out informative videos about food and health and look forward to you subscribing and sharing your thoughts in the comments too. Please remember to turn notifications on for more healthy lifestyle content such as today's video. Consult your doctor or nutritionist on the quantities best suited to you. Bone broth provides a wide range of functions. Enhance weight loss. Weight loss and regulation of metabolic functions are one of the most desired benefits of bone broth. It boosts low calories as it contains 41 calories per cup of 240 grams and vital micronutrients. The low calories are just in the right amount needed for body activities and not in excess that could lead to weight gain. In addition to having a low caloric content, bone broth contains the amino acid glucosamine, which is the precursor for glutathione that plays an essential role in nutrient metabolism. Also, bone broth contains antioxidants that regulate body activities like protein synthesis, immune system response, and all these health benefits support optimal functioning of the body and lastly the body's metabolism. Reduce joint pain in arthritis. Bone broth is a natural remedy for joint pain in arthritis. It contains minerals like collagen, gelatin, chondroitin sulfate and glucosamine, which protects and heals damaged cartilage and connective tissue. As one ages, joints and ligaments become less flexible because of collagen depletion. Gelatin and collagen serve as important shock absorbers and maintain bone mineral density. Chondroitin sulfate treats degenerative joint diseases like osteoarthritis by blocking cartilage degrading enzymes and reduces inflammatory response and joint pain. Glucosamine also protects cartilage integrity. And yes, bone broth offers all of these. Aids digestion and absorption of food. Intestinal integrity influences the digestion and absorption of different food substances. Different disease conditions affect the integrity of the intestines, and top of the list is leaky gut. Leaky gut results from attack on the intestinal wall. Bone broth helps repair the intestinal lining by action of its gelatin content. Gelatin also helps diminish food sensitivity, introduces probiotics in the gut, and stabilizes the digestive tract. Studies have shown that collagen levels are lower in those with gastrointestinal imbalances. Supplementing with bone broth is an excellent way to restore missing collagen to support healthy digestion. Helps in detoxification. Bone broth helps detoxification by helping the digestive system and the liver dispose of waste and toxins, which get into the body through the ingestion of preservatives, artificial ingredients, pesticides and dangerous chemicals. The constituents of bone broth responsible for this action are glycine potassium, 444 grams per cup of 240 grams, magnesium, 17 grams per cup of 240 grams, calcium, 19 grams per cup of 240 grams, and glutathione. They improve internal filtration mechanisms and support liver and cellular detoxification. Promotes healthy skin. Two major nutrients that help maintain healthy skin are hyaluronic acid and collagen. Hyaluronic acid helps the skin retain moisture, which makes it pliable, elastic, and resilient. Collagen, on the other hand, is important for forming elastin and other skin-supporting compounds. Collagen levels begin to decline as one ages, and this results in facial lines, wrinkles, and skin sagging. Stimulation and maintenance of collagen integrity reverses the visible signs of aging and restores smooth skin. Bone broth has a rich supply of hyaluronic acid and collagen, which is good for promotion of healthy skin. Boosts energy. Bone broth is packed with nutritive amino acids like glutamine, arginine, glycine, proline, which can serve as substrate for the production of glucose to fuel body activities and regulation of energy metabolism. Also, phosphorus and magnesium are minerals needed to produce the functional energy molecule ATP, and they are present in bone broth. Builds strong teeth and bones. Collagen and gelatin have remarkable effects on teeth and gum. Reduced collagen synthesis at old age weakens the teeth. A healthy continuous intake of foods rich in collagen helps the teeth be stronger, and this is what bone broth does for the body. Anti-inflammatory. Some of the amino acids contained in bone broth, like glycine and arginine, have strong anti-inflammatory functions. They protect the body against the effects of chronic inflammation that plays a role in chronic disease conditions, and also against allergic conditions like food allergies or sensitivity and asthma. Aids fertility. Amino acids are building blocks of different macromolecules in the body, including hormone production. Their actions help prevent issues of hormonal imbalance like estrogen dominance seen in infertility-related disease conditions like endometriosis and polycystic ovarian syndrome, PCOS. Intake of bone broth provides a large amount of amino acids that take part in this process and influence fertility. Aids sleep. The amino acid glycine contained in bone broth has an effect on the central nervous system and invariably relieves symptoms of insomnia and also improves the quality of sleep. Studies have shown that this effect is done by increasing the level of the neurotransmitter serotonin in the brain. We hope you enjoy this video on bone broth benefits you absolutely must know. This is Superfoods, and we thank you for watching our video and also invite you to subscribe to our channel. Do take a look around our Superfoods channel for some amazing ideas on healthy lifestyle. Like, share and subscribe for more healthy content. Thanks for watching.